Hello, welcome to an alternative episode of Let's Play Spectrum. We're going to play Checkered Flag on the Spectrum, but we're going to play Checkered Flag on the Spectrum on a Casio Colour TV that I've just bodged up. So you never know what can happen. So let's give it a go. So I'm going to move everything down. 1983. It's a, who's it by? Scion. By Scion. Bit of a classic game this. So I'm going to get this loaded up. And it's very difficult to see what it is. But what I'm going to do is turn the lights completely off. And then there's enough illumination, I think, to actually see it. So hang on a second. Okay, so here we go. I need to use a little torch to see what I'm doing. So we're going to go load. Oh, looks good. Symbol shift PP, which is quote quote. That goes into load mode. And we push the button on the tape. And we hope. We're trying not to kick the camera. Oh! That works! That's brilliant. I do love the way the Spectrum does this loading thing. You've got to wait a little while, but at least there's stuff going on. I know I've moaned about the Auric. It's not as bad as the BBC. BBC was a bit tragic in some ways, but the this is cool. Yeah, there's somehow it's making friendly noises, and I like all the stuff going on in the borders. You know, and you can always hear the sound a little bit. It just comes through very faint. Quite like that. You can actually hear that on the Auric, but it's very, very, very faint. Anyway, so this is just kind of weird, this thing. Oh dear, oh dear. This is so bodged up. Oh, here we go. Oh, I love it. I don't know why I love it so much. It's really cool. I mean, this is such a crap. Screen resolution is rubbish. The contrast is rubbish. Oh, I don't know. It ain't great, but it makes me smile for some reason. I'm probably going to end up having to play this via, because I can't see it from this angle, play this via my phone screen, looking through the ring light. It's all a bit odd. One of the things about the Casio, well, most of these sort of LCD screens back then, is the viewing angle was appalling. If you were straight on it, fine, but any other angle, forget it. Really, really bad. Wow, this thing takes a while, doesn't it? Oh, hey, it's loaded. Fantastic. Let me stop the tape. That's brilliant. So you've got the different circuits. You can use space to select them. I might go with the first one actually. Press enter on that. Ask you the number of laps. We're going to do 2. The sort of car, we'll just stick with that one. Here we go. Oh, hang on. Okay, let's move it around so I can actually see the screen. I think what you got to do is actually brake. Where's D? That's better. Damn! Didn't do very well there. Is my D key a bit weird? Nope, it's me. Here we go. Oh, I haven't even made it past the first corner. That's embarrassing. I can't really see what I'm doing because I've got the thing in the way. Oi, 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 oi. Ah! I've gone too far. I've gone too much. Ah. Shit. Ay, 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 ay. What's that down with the corner? Oh, yeah. Oof, that was close. Almost came off then. The speed! Whoa! Oh yes, he's motoring now. Oh no! Oh yes, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I wasn't watching then. Oh, you silly sod. Hey! Cool. Made it. That's really cool. My goodness. Well, okay. Basically, if there's any text in your game, forget it because you can't read any of it. But apart from that, it's kind of weird and cool. Do you think it's the next Game Boy Advance? It could be. It could be. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Cheers.